I'm Todd Duplantis, and this is your HCC News Minute. 1 minute, one college, everything you need to know to push your future forward. Houston City College joined regional leaders and industry partners to recently celebrate Apple's new Advanced Manufacturing Center, an event headlined by CEO Tim Cook and attended by organizations working to strengthen Houston's innovation economy. The gathering marked a major investment in the region's technology and manufacturing future. The Manufacturing Center will directly benefit students pursuing advanced manufacturing, pathways, technology training, and other high-demand workforce programs. If you'd like more information about the center on Apple's major investment in our area, please check out the HCC Facebook page. That's your HCC News Minute. I'm Todd Duplantis. Find all of our stories and news at hccs.edu/mediahub.